Welcome back to the Cornies Notes version. Health matters simplified so you can understand. I'm Dr. Matthew Cornies, a chiropractor. Today we're looking at recommendations for using ice on your lower back. When we use ice, we want to use an ice pack that stays flexible when it's frozen. And when we're icing our lower back, we often want to put a cushion underneath of it. So let's take a look. Here we have a cushion, and here we have an ice pack that stays flexible when it's frozen. You're going to want a nice big ice pack. You're going to lay on that for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Here, let me make some space. Luna, Basil, come on down. Good dog. All right, so when we do our ice for the lower back, first we're going to take our cushion and we're going to put it down. Then we're going to take our flexible ice pack and we're going to lay it down next. Now, when we're using ice for 15 to 20 minutes, you want to make sure that you never put that ice directly up against your skin, or you might get frostbite. So we put a barrier between the ice and our skin. At home, I usually use a dish towel, but for our purposes here, we're going to use this paper towel. Now, paper towel is very thin, so if you use a paper towel, make sure you double it up. So we're using a double thickness of paper towel on top of the ice pack. Here, move to the side, guys. Let's let everybody see. So, we've got the cushion, we've got the ice pack, then we've got the paper towel. Now, we're going to lay on our back on the ice pack. And you want to get that ice pack nice and low, really just below your belt line. Oh, and that feels good. So when you're icing your lower back, you want to lay in this position for about 15 to 20 minutes. Never longer than 30 minutes. And that's going to be your cheapest and most effective natural anti-inflammatory. So remember to ice your lower back and get adjusted because it feels good.